Hi guys, so today we're doing tofu and eggs. We're making double egg steamed tofu. We're using two different kinds of eggs with a nice silky soft tofu and some nice fried shallots and garlic to go on top. It's gonna be so good. All right, so first off, we're gonna crack 4 eggs into a bowl. All right, there we go. Scramble, scramble, scramble. Always use a chopsticks. It's a Chinese belief, you know. Always use chopsticks. Now, I have a bowl of, this is chicken stock powder that I've just mixed together with some water, about 200 mLs of water. If you want to make it completely vegetarian, you're free to use mushroom stock, yeah, or vegetable stock. There we go, nice. All right, so now we're going to sift the egg. This is going to give it a silkier, smoother, yeah, texture. It's sort of like, you know, when you're making creme brulee, you want that smooth, silky texture. You have to sift the egg. It takes out any lumps and it also removes all that bubbles from all that scrambling. I have a plate which I'm just going to brush very lightly with some oil. Got a bit of residual oil on my brush. This is regular soft tofu, yeah. So what we're going to do is we're just going to slice. Now there are different ways. Some people actually just dice them up and mix them in together with the eggs. But I prefer to have sort of the tofu being the centerpiece of the entire sort of flat steamed egg, and then you also divide it into 2 different elements in the dish. Yeah, so now, okay. So the tricky part about handling such soft tofu is to try and not break them up in the process. There we go. Whoa! Now, your egg, gently just pour them in. All right, so now, aluminium foil. Cover it. You know why this is round like this and crumpled up? Because we sort of had a moment because I've had earlier already covered the egg without putting the tofu in. It's hilarious. So yes, fuck-ups do happen in cooking shows too. Medium-low heat. You don't want the water to be rumbling vigorously. Egg and tofu. Wow, I can't believe it. This is the 3rd time I'm going to be removing this because, ladies and gentlemen, I forgot my bloody salted egg. Right, so guys, before, don't know what's happening with me today, but yeah, anyway, salted egg, crack half, use a spoon, spoon it out, cut down, dice them up, and that's going to be that, you know, surprise taste, flavor, saltiness in this dish. There we go. So pick up your salted eggs and just drop them around. Some will sink and some might float. It doesn't really matter. All right, Sherson Lian, for the 3rd time. All right, so we've got both our eggs in, we've got our tofu in. That's good. Cover it up, yeah, because we do not want the drips from the lid to end up on the surface of the egg. Yeah, so make sure it's covered nicely. Pick it up in the steamer, close it, and ladies and gentlemen, we're steaming this for 8 minutes. All right, so while we're waiting for this to steam away, I'm going to be preparing a nice sort of fried garlic and shallot, yeah, to go with it. So, I've got a garlic here. Just going to smash, mince. Garlic into a cold pan. Shallots, thinly sliced. Pick it up, try it out. Oil in. Turn on the heat, and we're taking this sort of nice and slow. Yeah, we want the garlic to be sort of crispy and not burnt. If you start cooking it with hot oil, chances are your garlic's not going to be crisp and you're going to end up with something that's a bit soggy. Yeah, so start with cold oil, cold pan, and let it take its time to slowly just crisp up. All right, nice. It's nice and crispy. Pour it out. Look at that, beautiful golden brown. This smells like magic. And this is ready to go. All right, so now, eggs is done. There we go, nice. Voila. Yeah, so this, you have sort of like a firm jiggle rather than something that's loose. Now we're gonna make a simple sauce to go with it. I'm mixing a little bit of soy sauce, all right, to a little bit of fish sauce, and we're mixing it with a little bit of water. Yeah, so it's not too salty in taste. Our beautiful shallot and garlic oil here. I'm gonna mix a little bit of this inside. We don't mix too much because we don't want the entire shallot and garlic to turn soggy. This is just to give this sauce a nice aroma. Now, if you're not bothered with the whole shallot and garlic, you can always substitute it with a little bit of sesame oil. Yeah, there we go. Put the sauce all around. Get you a nice crispy garlic. I've got some nice julienne spring onion that's just gonna sit right on top. So here you have it, guys. Duo steamed eggs with tofu. All right, now for a quick taste test. Oh man. Oh, it smells so good. That garlic and shallot oil. Oh my lord. You bite into it, it's sort of like, you know, like tofu fa. Like bean curd, you know, soybean curd. It's so silky, so smooth. And then you get this texture from the salted egg, that saltiness, that yolk that is a little bit chewy. All right, guys. So I hope you've enjoyed this recipe and I hope you find that it's added value to you. One more recipe that you can make at home for you and your family. If you've enjoyed this, do click the like and subscribe button. I really do appreciate the support. Share this with your friends and family. I'll see you next time. Take care, guys. So nice!